Changing the vertical position of a footer in Microsoft Word is a common adjustment for professional document formatting, especially when you need to accommodate specific page margin or printer requirement. So here is the page preview. You can see that I have a footer over here. So click on the insert and click on the footer and click on the edit footer. This will enable the footer section. And now move to the footer for the bottom. When you increase the value, moves the footer higher further from the page edges. And when you decrease the value, it moves the footer lower closer to the page edge. So here how you can change the footer position. So you can select the footer and go to the home, and here in the paragraph group you will see that is the left align, and this is the center align, and this is the right align. So it's up to you how you can manage it. And now double click inside the body to close the footer section. Another way is that double click on the footer to enable the footer section and go to the layout and click on margin and click on the customs margin. And in the margin tabs you will see that bottom. Here you need to adjust the value. And in the preview you can see that. When you increase the value, the further edges are upward. And when you decrease the value, it is closer to the edge of the page. I'll be put at the 3.5 inches from the bottom and click OK. And here you can see that. Moreover, you can also adjust from this gray area to move up and down. So this way you can easily change the footer position in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.